El-Rufai is he alive?
Your Excellency, you're welcome to Nekede.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Excellency. Welcome, sir. Mr. El-Rufai. Welcome. Yes, it's easy. Gentlemen, easy. Welcome. Excellency, you're welcome.
Members of the Traditional Council and Cabinet, my friends and colleagues that came with me, good afternoon. Because of my political views, very few people want to be seen with me. It's an expression of my courage, Your Highness, to receive me here. And it's something I'll never forget. It's a very important day in my life that I'll remember whenever I write any autobiography. We are here to attend a couple of events, but we couldn't have gone into this event without paying our respects from the traditional institution of this land. It's an institution that has kept
They are finished.
Yes, no worries.
Because the name has been written. That today we have physically seen you. That is why we are together. And what everybody should suggest